So has anybody been buying this dip regarding CRO? Because we've just had that bit of a pullback by, I wouldn't say correction, I would say just say pullback really, of around about 5.9%. And at the moment, we've got the market capitalization is still around about 1.55 trillion. So, this is just basically we've had this really big impulsive wave by Bitcoin and some of the alts as well, So at the moment, this is a bit of a pullback. I still think though we could pull back a bit more, and depends on today's what comes out from the FOMC's Jerome Powell comes out a bit more hawkish or something like that, then I expect the markets could get extremely volatile and pull back a bit. But, overall, I think a lot of the tokens are really holding strong at the moment, and I'm using this as a potential. I'm starting to buy in little bits. I'm not putting great piles of money in. I'm just putting myself in little bits and bobs and CRO at the moment. But it's I'm really excited because we've got so much to look forward to. Will we get that ETF? Always a risk that we don't. But if we do, are we going to go pushing on up? Is it sell the news kind of event? We pull back and then the halving comes and then we start making a move up. Well, we'll soon find out. And do I think CRO is going to go to $1? Yeah, I do. Do I think it's going to $3? Yes, I do. And why do I think that? It's because all the fundamentals that are behind the strong community, the fundamentals, and actually retail haven't really come into crypto as yet properly, but crypto.com is all their advertising doing is going to bring in that retail in and, bring that retail in. People are going to start buying CROs, getting the debit cards and such like. So lots of things going on here in that. But, we've had this bit of a pullback. But, who cares? I'm a long-term holder, so I don't really care. If you're on leverage, yeah, you might have to worry a little bit, but I'm not. I'm a long-term holder, and so it doesn't really affect me. I'll just go and buy the dips when it comes about, when my targets have hit. Like I said, you always have a plan. But yeah, we can see here, we've got Bitcoin at the moment holding around that 40 to 41 mark. We've got Ethereum at 2,173 holding the mark there. So overall, it's the sentiment is still bullish, and it's actually, it says on here, it's basically at 73, which is still greedy. There is obviously people in leverage, and we've still got a lot of people in leverage. And because of what happened with Senator Warren the other day with her bill, obviously that helped pull Bitcoin back a bit. And also, but we've still got a lot of leverage there. I'm not really comfortable regarding all that leverage in the market at the moment. I really do think, and I know some people might not like this, but I really do think we need to sort of pull back a little bit more. And I'm going to use that as a buying opportunity. But yeah, so as we got crypto.com, and I mentioned on the video yesterday, it's starting to bring back these rewards. And I said this ages ago, they're going to bring back these rewards. And this is just for the US users as well. But hopefully for the EU as well and the UK. But yeah, we've got these rewards, higher in bonus, up to 10% PA, up to 8% back on crypto Visa card rewards, and up to 4 times referral boosters, which is actually fantastic. So we can get it all here, and depending on what you actually stake and what you can get this moon-based colony. It's different levels, level 1, level 2, and level 3, and so forth. So basically, a lot of this is what it says here. Rewards Plus is available to US users with more jurisdictions to come. So I'm really hoping it comes to Europe, and I'm really hoping here in the UK it will come to us. And it says here, inclusive reward structure, you can actively benefit yearly trading volume of only $100 and start making your way up to level 20 of rewards, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. So this is a great opportunity if you're in the US. Just put $100 in to start with, and just start gradually building it up. And like I said before, here it goes. Cross app benefits. I can't show you on my app because unfortunately this is not in. I'm not in the US, so I can't. But it says here, higher plus bonus, enjoy up to 10% PA on a 3-month stablecoin allocation. Extra card rewards get up to 8%. Back on spending with Crypto.com Visa card. Referral booster, unlock up to 4% bonus for your referrals with your BG25 referral program. Trade and rebates received CRO for every trade you make. And it just says here, and basically you can go to your app and you can actually activate it. And then, like I said, you can accumulate those badges as well. So it's all good stuff, really, And do not forget also, we've had the Dark Line, the Feline Face-Off, Phase 1 mint is sold out, so that went pretty quick. So there'll be sort of no doubt some people are unhappy, but I really do think we've got phase 2 coming in 1 hour 8 minutes as of today. So if you want one of these dark lines, phase 2 is coming. I think there's a phase 3. Let me know in the description below coming about. But there we go. We've got 1 hour 8 minutes to go on that. So we can see also going on to the price of CRO at the moment. It's like I said, it's about 9 cents to 10 cents kind of mark, like, you know. So yeah, we're holding up pretty well at the moment. And we can look on CRO. This is like on the daily. We've sort of got this like falling wedge at the moment. We're sort of like on the stock RSI, we're sort of hovering in between around about 40% on that. But we've got this falling wedge. Now, if we, subject obviously is Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does plummet down to 37 or something like that, then obviously we're going to be taken down with it, no doubt, to a certain point. But if Bitcoin holds the line and then starts to push up, my target is around about 13 to 14 pence. And this is what it said, you know, because obviously we've got the falling wedge here. You take the pole and you extrapolate it here. We've got a little bit of resistance here to break through, which is about, it's not actually that much, 15% and 3%. So there's not much resistance holding us back to get us up to that 13, 14 pence. You know, so, but people say, well, what can CRO get to that $1? Can it go above that? And yes, I do think that, because the reason being I think that is because obviously if Bitcoin goes back to all-time high and surpasses it, then obviously they're also going to be pulled up with it. Retail are coming in as well. And also, you know, what Crypto.com have created fundamentally, you know, with Paris Saint-Germain, the Arena, and all the others advertisements they are doing as well, and attracting new users into Crypto.com with these new features which I've just gone through, you know. So a lot of, if people said to me there is no chance CRO is going to $1, to me, utter rubbish. Why? People said that to me when I bought Cardano. When I bought Cardano, it's 7 cents. 7 cents I bought that in the previous bear market, and it went all the way up to around about just over $3. And people were there, you know, it's not going to go anywhere, it's dead, nothing happening or anything like that. And then bang, straight in the bull market, straight up there, $3. And obviously we had pullbacks on the way up there. It wasn't just straight green candle, like, you know. But this is what I mean. If CRO got to what BNB is of today, that is going to be $1.47. Pence, whatever it is, it's gonna, if it gets that, it's gonna get to that, you know. And this is just the start. And like I said, I really do think with what's all going on with all the Kronos ecosystem and what Crypto.com are doing, strong community, I really do think $3 is my target. And I'll be honest with you, you know, if we get to $1, about around about $1.20, $1.50, for me, I'll probably take little bits of profit off, you know, on that. But I will ride the rave up. But I always say, people, if you made profit, if you made a 10x or something like that, or 14x, take your initial money out, what your initial put in. So always remember that, you know. But, you know, like I said, look at the fundamentals. That's all you have to do. Lots of things going on. And no doubt with Crypto.com as well, no doubt more features will be coming out. And hopefully these features will come out for the US, will come out to Europe, and will come to the UK as well. Because that's just going to be absolutely wild. You know, because we all had those worrying feelings back in the bear market when all that FUD came out. Those features were taken away. Now they're coming back. And why are they coming back? Because the team at Crypto.com know we're in the early stages of that bull market. So let me know down below, what do you think CRO is going to get to in this bull market? Let me know down below, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.